Hi, good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What's your good name?
My name is Urmila Karki,
How old are you?
31 old years.
Okay, are you married?
Yes, sir. I'm married.
Do you have children?
Yes, sir.
How many children do you have?
One.
Okay. Can you please tell me about your education qualification?
Yes, sir. I complete SLC pass Balbas school.
Okay. Okay, so do you have any experience?
Yes, sir. I have experience.
Can you please tell me about your experience? Where did you work and what's your name or your workplace?
Okay, sir.
Your experience.
Okay, sir. And Dubai hotel room attendant, Dixus Hotel, and 2 years hospital cleaner.
Okay, how many years you work in that hotel?
2 years.
2 years?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, can you please tell me that what you used to do as a cleaner in that hotel and hospital?
uh, Hotel in room attendant, carpet cleaner, sofa cleaner, window cleaner, door cleaner, toilet bathroom cleaner, table cleaner, bed making.
Okay, so you can do this kind of work, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you smoke?
No smoke.
Okay. Do you drink?
No, sir.
Is there anybody, your friend, relatives in Romania?
No, sir.
Okay. If you get selected, then how many years you want to stay in Romania?
More than 9-10 years.
9, 10 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you for your time, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.